The silence after a storm is always the heaviest. The echoes of your raised voice still hang in the air, and your heart is beating fast, not from anger anymore, but from deep, crushing regret. You look at your child, who is now sitting quietly, looking away, or maybe crying silently in the corner. And inside your head, the worst thoughts begin to spiral. I ruined everything. I am traumatized them. I am a horrible parent. The guilt is overwhelming, but I need you to take a slow, deep breath right now. Losing your temper does not make you a bad parent. It makes you a human being whose emotional cup overflowed. But here is the most beautiful secret of parenting. The magic isn't in never making a mistake. The magic is in how you repair it. Your child doesn't need a parent who is a perfect, emotionless robot. They need to see a parent who knows how to say, I am sorry, and I am here to fix this. When you feel your own body calm down, go to them. Lower yourself to their eye level. Do not make excuses, and do not blame them for your reaction. Just own your feelings. Look at them gently and say, I am so sorry I yelled. My brain was feeling too overwhelmed, but it was not your fault. It is my job to stay calm, and I made a mistake. I love you so much, no matter what. Open your arms and wait. Let them come to you when they are ready. When they bury their head in your shoulder, you are teaching them the most valuable lesson of their life. That relationships can bend, but they do not have to break. You are teaching them that love is bigger than anger, and that home is always a safe place to return to, even after a storm. You didn't ruin your bond today. You just found an opportunity to make it stronger. Connection is built in the repair. You are doing just fine.